Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into PlayStation 5. First of all, you need to open your Google Chrome web browser or any other browser you prefer, and in the top section over there, type down PlayStation 5 login and enter it after you're done. And after that, select this first option that says PlayStation Network. After that, in the top right corner, we could see the sign in option. Click on that. After that, on the right hand side, we could see the sign into PlayStation option where you are required for your email address. Simply type down your email address, and after that, click in the next. And after that, you are again required for your password. Type down your password, and after that, click on the sign in option, and then you'll be successfully logged in to your PlayStation 5. But if you have trouble signing in, then you can also click in this bottom option that says trouble signing in order to assistance by PlayStation. And this is it guys. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.